Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to set up PayPal app on your phone. First, go to PayPal application or go to any web browser and kind of type PayPal. So click login, select sign up. Now here, all you have to do is to click personal account, business account. So tap the personal account, click next. Here, you can select any of this. So let me try individual seller or freelancer. So once done, click next. Continue with Google Chrome. Now do the security challenge to verify that you're a human. Once done, type your phone number, and phone numbers are very important for verification and any other transactions. Once done, click next and confirm your phone by typing the code that they sent to your number, or you can just prefer this autofill. So once done, it will take you directly to set up your profile. All you have to do is to type your email address, first name, middle name, last name, and create your password. Once done, click next. So once you completed your profile, they will ask you for your address. So all you have to do is to fill in the information here, nationality, date of birth, ID type, ID number, street name, city, district, region, zip code. And once done, all you have to do is to click I agree and continue. So here's your PayPal account. You can now shop, send money, get paid. And this is your PayPal account and profile. Feel free to explore. If you find this video informative, give it a thumbs up. See you again in our next video tutorials.